What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well. I was going for a bit of a walk, thought to make this short video. This topic I want to mention about never stop learning new skills, because if we look at making money online, anything can happen at any time, right? Regardless of whatever business you're actually into. You might be into YouTube automation, you might be into affiliate marketing, you might be into making money through passive income platform, or you might be generally just doing retail arbitrage, you might be doing drop shipping, you might be doing Amazon FBA. So most of the time the problem actually happens when people, they just rely on one streams of income, right? They're just probably relying on their YouTube automation channel, and they just have one YouTube automation channel that they're actually making money, and they just keep relying on that, thinking that it will actually be working for them for a very, very long time. But if you have actually been in the online space like myself, you know that things change very, very quickly, okay? And the way to always be making money online is by leveraging. That's the very first thing. So as an example, if you already have a YouTube automation channel that's already making money, you need to be duplicating that channel and also going into different niches, and also have different channels in different niches. So that way you're just not relying on one channel. But the thing is, and the beauty of it is, just don't be stagnant on YouTube automation, okay? If your channel is working, if you're already making money, if you already got a lot of traffic coming in your channel, you want to be opening up different income streams with that channel. That can be doing like affiliate marketing using your channel, because it's already getting traffic. So how can we direct the traffic to monetize it even more? Okay, and it's awesome because on YouTube automation channel you get traffic very, very fast, okay? And this goes with passive income platform. People, they just use one passive income platform to be earning. So in that case, I don't just rely on one platform. I invested into 3 or 4 different platforms. So in case something happens to one platform, I already have income streams coming from the other platform, right? So that's the key to making a lot of money online, is to not be stagnant on one business, one stream of income, because anything can happen at any time. So again, let me know if you got some value. Put in the comment what you learned, and hoping to hear from you soon. Bye for now. God bless.